Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world. Dobson 777A here. Okay, several months ago, we were talking about a pennant pattern, and we had noticed that we were setting up a pennant for, they call them bull flags. They have a number of different analysis, technical analysis patterns that can indicate that we're likely going to have a breakout. And so this is Investopedia. I've shown this multiple times to everybody, but I consider this an educational channel. It's also a blog, and I'm telling you what I am doing. I'm not necessarily telling you what to do, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. I've given you several options in case you can't invest exactly the way I do. So this is, I want you to realize that this show is about myself, a savvy investor, and why I'm investing, and I'm trying to, help you guys maybe get some information that you need to make intelligent choices. Chicken bone analysis. So one of the things that we were doing was, here's a pennant flag for platinum. And there's some interesting things about these bull flags and pennant flags, but basically you have a flagpole on one side. In this case, you have a pennant on this side. You can imagine this is a flag, where this is the flagpole. And if you copy this and put it on the other side here where this takes off, this will tell you how high this is likely going to go, because it'll finish from where it was at previously. So this is pointing up here that platinum is going to go to 1249, and we're already at 1109. This is incredible what this has done since October 30th. This was their breakout. And this is basically confirmed now. Previously, let's see when this one is. Yep, end of April. And then platinum. This would be end of March for platinum, it looks like, because it started earlier anyways. Now, the seasonality for gold is unfortunately only through February. So this may do something sooner. We'll have to find out. We'll see if this thing breaks out and gets above ahead of time. So this is the technical analysis for that. Now, I wanted to show you this chart. This is a 3-month chart. So down on the bottom, we have gold. So 3 months, gold is sitting at 2%. I have SPY is this green-red bar chart that's running right here, and that's at 10%. This blue right here is silver, that's at 14%. This yellow is platinum, that's at 24.99%, just in 3 months. And then you have this color right here is CXBMF. This is one of our specialty gold miners. It's kind of a micro miner, but this has had a tremendous volatility. It was up at a higher position back in November, and it's trying to get back up to that position. But the purple line is our SBSW, Sylvain-Stillwater, and that thing is sitting at nearly 50% just in a 3-month period. That's incredible amount of change. Now, over the last 2 years, I have done a number of platinum and Sylvain-Stillwater type videos. And I've been telling everybody that I think that platinum is going to be the metal that's going to surprise everybody, like palladium did in 2020. Palladium went through the roof, and it just kind of shocked everyone. So platinum may end up doing the same thing. The last video that I did was in May 27th, Platinum Trimetal Catalytics, game changer. And this was Sylvain-Stillwater. They had recognized, and I had talked about this previously, that platinum and palladium tend to swap positions. And it has to do with catalytic converters. I think I even talked about this the other day. Industry will retool periodically because like platinum will get, overvalued, and they'll switch to palladium and vice versa. Well, Sylvain-Stillwater came up with a creative approach where they use a little bit of each of these metals in their catalytics instead of just kind of like more of one than the other. And so it's now stabilizes the metals, and you don't get these things apparently out of whack. Now, what's going to happen is you may see palladium kind of come down, and you may see platinum go up. But I have not, going through all the technical papers, been able to find the composition of this trimetal. catalytic, and so I can't tell, if it's like 75% of one, 20% of another mixes for this to. This is still unknown to me, but this is probably well along the ways of being implemented into catalytic converters now, and I think we're going to find out down the road that it was a good move getting into platinum when we did. I mean, we were way ahead, and the miner SBSW, again, I bet you we've been holding that a year and a half, and it is now screaming. Anyways, we've leveraged our bet with the Spain Stillwater. They have gold, platinum, palladium, rhodium. It's all the PGM metals. And I think they may have actually, I could be wrong, but I thought they bought a copper miner also. So it's a very diversified, very large company. So this is still something that's probably going to be one of our key holdings for a long time. So anyways, I just wanted to touch on that. Platinum, I think is going to be the surprise this year, and we got in early on it, and let's just hope we catch some other things early. This happened to be one of them that we launched. PPLT is the ETF for platinum, but that's going to be unleveraged, but it has been doing very well. I think platinum was up 4% today. So let's go look at the charts for the performance today. So the stock market in the Americas was up about 0.5%. Canada was also up 0.5%. Chile was up 2%. Eurozone, France, Germany, Italy were all down slightly. United Kingdom was up slightly. South Africa was down very slightly. Australia basically even. China was up 0.9%. Hong Kong 1.3%. Japan down slightly. New Zealand was up a whopping 2.77%. The sectors today were pretty much all green. Consumer staples down slightly and utilities down slightly. So gold was up 0.3% in the ETF representation of our physicals. Platinum was up 4.6%. Silver was up 1.26%. Again, I got to reset these portfolios to the beginning of the year, but since October, platinum is up 30%, so that's huge. When we look at our ETF miners, they were up 0.28% today, with large silver miners leading and junior silver miners second place. Now this was the subscribers report. The members actually get details of several other portfolios and actually some stock picks and such, and how to set up a portfolio. So you might want to consider joining. The lowest level that I would recommend is platinum level. Gold is for those who want to really give some additional contributions for the work that I do. Silver is really just contributions only. They don't get much in the way of any additional benefits, but platinum and gold get the majority of the benefits. So just thought I'd let you know that. I hope everybody's treating you well. I hope you're doing well. Do the best you can. God bless.
Go potty.